remember leaving. I remember the train moving. I remember thinking I finally escaped. But if I escaped, then why am I still here? The tracks look the same. The trees haven't moved. The air feels exactly like before. It's like time didn't pass. Or maybe I didn't leave. There's something wrong with memory here. It doesn't disappear. It splits. Every choice creates something new, and something else stays behind. I can feel it now, like I'm not alone in my own thoughts. Like there's another version of me, thinking at the same time. Watching, waiting, remembering differently. The rails hum softly, not loud enough to hear, but strong enough to feel. It's not a sound, it's a presence, a constant vibration under everything. I started walking, but something felt off. My steps didn't match the ground. The timing was wrong. Like I was slightly out of sync with reality. Then I saw movement. Not ahead, not behind, but beside me. Another me. Walking in the same direction, but not exactly the same. Slightly delayed, slightly distorted. I stopped. It didn't. It kept walking, then slowly turned its head toward me and smiled. Not like I would, not like I could. The rails pulsed again, stronger this time. And suddenly, there were more versions of me, some standing still, some running, some just watching. All slightly different, all slightly wrong. I tried to look away, but the world didn't let me. Every direction I turned, they were there, existing, repeating, trapped. That's when I understood. These aren't illusions. These are leftovers. Versions that didn't make it out. Versions that stayed. The whistle echoed suddenly, but it wasn't just one. It was many. Layered, overlapping, out of sync. Like multiple realities collapsing into one. The ground began to shift, the rails bending slightly, not physically, but conceptually, as if space itself was being rewritten. And then they started moving, all of them, the other versions, walking toward the same direction, towards something I couldn't see yet. I didn't want to follow, but my body moved anyway. Like I was just another version in the sequence. The closer we got, the heavier everything felt. Like reality was compressing, folding inward. And then I saw it, not clearly, not fully, but enough. A massive structure on the rails, built from fragments, not just metal, not just machinery, but shapes, forms, pieces that looked familiar, too familiar. wasn't approaching. It didn't need to. Everything was already moving toward it, including me. The other versions reached it first, and one by one, they disappeared. Not destroyed, not consumed, integrated, becoming part of it. And then it looked at me, not with eyes, but with awareness, recognition, like it knew exactly who I was or what I would become. I tried to step back, but there was nowhere to go. The other versions surrounded me, closing in, not aggressively, not violently, just completing the pattern. The whistle sounded again, perfectly synchronized this time, and everything aligned. Every version, every movement, every thought, leading to the same moment, the same ending. I stopped resisting, because resistance didn't exist anymore. I stepped forward toward him, and just before everything faded, I realized something. I was never trying to escape. I was trying to return, become whole again, with all the versions I left behind.